My name is Tony Bazan. I am the CEO of TM International based in Tucson, Arizona, and I am here since 2017. We have a retail sector called SAVVi that does children's products, temporary tattoos, coloring books, arts and crafts, and we're expanding into toys. If you're boring digitally, if you're not pretty digitally, if you're not interactive and fun digitally, if you're not easy to use digitally, it doesn't work. It's a turnoff, and you're not going to grow your business. From that need, I was introduced to Wyatt over at CS Designs here in Tucson. From day one, from moment one, CS Designs was incredibly open. They listened to the vision. They executed the vision. They made recommendations. They taught me through the recommendations in layman's terms, and they were spot on. We spoke English. We did not speak tech. I would highly recommend CS Design Studios to friends and colleagues because they have performed a stellar job for me with a fantastic end result that was easy to do, cost effective, and recommendable.